going on?
Good.
How are things today?
Good.
Let's start with you. How did things go with you today?
Great. Good first day.
All right.
Saw a fair amount of people. It was good.
Okay.
Good being here today. We saw a lot of patients, did a lot of good stuff. So they seem very grateful to be helped out. You know, had a lot of questions. Everyone's taking care of their health. Everyone did a general checkup. So everybody was pretty much trying to do the right thing for themselves. It was good. A lot of people, young people there too.
Nice. What about you? How was your experience here
It
today?
was good. Saw a lot of patients. I learned a lot. And everybody was very grateful.
It's your help, man.
All right. What about you? What kind of experience you had today?
Had a great experience.
Right.
It was nice. A bunch of patients come out. Seemed like we helped a lot of them. They seemed grateful. So it's cool.
What was your experience like today?
It was nice, actually. I got to talk to a lot of different people. They were really open to talking about many different subjects, and they were actually very aware of environmental sustainability, at least the young people that I spoke to. So that was refreshing.
Mike, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Fine. What was your experience like here today?
It was a great experience.
Yeah?
Sort of a last minute change to the itinerary to set up a medical and dental clinic on a main road in a poverty area in Kingston and provide good care to a lot of people. I think they were very appreciative.
Thank you for being here. Did you learn anything here today from the people?
It's always a humbling experience. Honestly, people have very little, but we're so thankful and so happy. And as much as we give to them, they give something else.
Right.
And it's an amazing experience.
All right.
Do this year after year. It's really important.
Yeah, man. Thanks for being here, all right?
Yeah, thank you.
Tell me, what was the experience here like today? Look right here.
It's always a good experience to give back to your community.
All right.
It's something that I advise everyone who is a person that they should consider doing. Because by giving, you not only help others, but you help yourself.
How would you say we were received here today by the people?
I would say we were well received by the people.
Okay.
There's an obvious need,
Right.
and we assisted in meeting that need, and people are grateful for that.
All right, well, thanks for being here, eh?
Oh, wonderful.
Nurse, how are you?
Good. How you doing?
I'm fine, thank you. We're at the end of today's health fair. How would you say today went for you?
The purpose was done. I think we did a lot today,
Right.
and it was a very fulfilled day.
Would you
my
say you
opinion.
learned anything from the people here today?
I did.
Okay.
I learned that there is a lot needed, and some of the services that were requested
Right.
that we didn't have, we're going to be able to get those people incorporated next year, and we'll have more services to cover those that were not here today.
Well, thank you for being selfless, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Sir, thank you for being here today to offer security to us. How would you say today went?
I think it went excellent
Right.
because we are not seeing a lot of this in Jamaica, so it went excellent.
Okay. Thank you. Tell me about your experience here today. Well, how do you feel you were received?
I feel like I was well received. People seem to be happy to receive the care.
Right.
I look forward to coming back next year.
Okay. Tell me, how do you feel about how things went today for you?
I loved it.
Loved
As
it.
I said before, this is my first mission, and I think it was very fulfilling meeting these people that needed all these help from us. I mean, we didn't do that much, blood pressure, finger stick, dental work. To them, that was the world, and they really appreciated it, and I feel I'm fulfilled. I enjoyed it.
Nurse, how are you doing? Nurse Powell.
Hi. Trying to relax.
Right, yeah, you're out here in the sun all day under this hot tent,
Oh
huh?
yes, long day,
But anything to help the people, right?
but it's so rewarding.
Right, so tell me, what was your experience like here today?
Every experience seems to be different.
Right.
We cannot compare from one side to another.
Right.
Coming here this morning not knowing what to expect because it was a new setting, a late start, but it's amazing how the people were so warm. Here we are supposedly in the ghetto, and they're really connected with us. Learned a lot of psychosocial issues that I've never heard before that happen in this part of Jamaica.
Right.
So if nothing else, I'm leaving here with that. And be able to look up to those people and say not because they live in the ghetto, they're different or they're troublemakers. Because a lot of the persons I met
Right.
They're going someplace and they mean well with their lives.
So do you feel that we should have more programs like this where we actually come into these communities to see the people?
Yes, definitely, because I'm almost sure that most of the missions won't come to these areas.
Right.
But we need to reach out to them. And I'm so happy that JAHJAH Foundation thought about doing that. The expectation was met
Right.
in the sense that we're here in Jamaica to reach out to the people. And you know, the reason why that we reach out to them, they were so appreciative. People actually returned after seeing the doctor to come and say thank you.
Right.
That's all. Thank you. And just shaking our hands, some hugs, some kisses. So expectations were met.
All right, well, thank you for being here.
Yes, you're welcome.
Thank you. So what was your experience here like today?
It was very eye-opening and gratifying.
Right.
Back in the US, a lot of the times we have to deal with people being ungrateful and impatient, waiting on the doctor and abusing us verbally. Here, people are so grateful and thankful and appreciative of what we're doing for them.
Right.
And they actually come back and thank us. And that makes me feel so good. And there's so much need here.
Right.
People have a lot of needs, and some people can't afford to go to the doctor. You know, they don't have the money, they can't fill the prescriptions. So it's just good to have that one-on-one with them and to open your eyes to another side.
Right.
Because some people are privileged, like in the US, and they take healthcare for granted.
Right.
And here, you have to pay for everything.
Right.
And my mother was ill, and we had to pay for the X-rays and everything before she would get them.
Right.
In the US, everything is done for you free, whether you work or not. So I really want to come back to Jamaica and give back and serve, because I had a friend who died because of lack of care.
Right.
She couldn't afford the care, and that broke my heart. And my father died because of lack of care. So it's really in my heart to give back and to come back to Jamaica whatever way I can help.
Right.
So this is my first time, and I'm very happy so far. And I'm looking forward to next year. I know I'm seeing what I can do better next year based on what happened here today. How I can help better.
Right. So would you say you learned anything here today?
Oh Lord, yes I did. I learned so much. First of all, the culture. It made me see Jamaicans are really strong and resilient. They deal with a lot and they cope with it and endure a lot with the little that we have.
What are your general thoughts on the work that the JAHJAH Foundation is doing across Jamaica?
Listen, I am so blessed to have met Dr. Dixon, and I'm so proud of the work that he's doing. I had no idea this was going on, like the extent of the work.
Right.
I thought it was just donating equipment, educating. I didn't realize it was actual physical work, like doing so much. So I'm really, really proud to be a part of this, and I want to continue to give to the JAHJAH Foundation.